Are you preparing for a Java plus AWS backend developer interview? In this video, we'll cover real interview questions and answers based on an actual job description for a senior software development engineer, SDE III, role. Java backend development. How do you design scalable backend services using Java? Use microservices architecture for modularity. Implement asynchronous communication with message queues, Kafka/SQS. Apply caching, Redis/Elasticache, to reduce DB load. Use connection pooling, Hikari CP, for efficient DB access. Ensure horizontal scalability via stateless services plus load balancer, ALB. Apply design patterns, factory, singleton, builder, for maintainability. What are the key differences between Java 8 and Java 17 Plus that impact backend development? Java 8. Lambdas, streams, optional, date-time API. Java 11. HTTP client, local variable var. Java 17 LTS sealed classes, records, pattern matching for instancy performance improvements. Impact. Better readability, less boilerplate, more secure and optimized backend code. How do you ensure code quality and performance in a cloud-based Java application? Use SonarQube/CheckStyle for static code analysis. Implement JUnit and integration tests. Apply profiling tools, JVisual VM, Flight Recorder. Optimize JVM GC parameters for low-latency workloads. CI/CD pipelines for automated builds and deployments. AWS services, S3, EC2, DynamoDB, Elasticsearch, CDK. How would you design file storage with S3 for a Java backend? Use AWS SDK for Java, Amazon's 3 client. Store objects with UUID-based keys for uniqueness. Enable versioning and lifecycle policies. Move to Glacier after X days. Secure with IAM roles plus S3 bucket policies. Use CloudFront CDN for global file distribution. What are best practices for running Java services on EC2? Use auto-scaling groups ASG for horizontal scaling. Deploy via Elastic Load Balancer, ALB/NLB. Store configs in SSM parameter store instead of hard-coding. Use CloudWatch plus X-Ray for monitoring. Bake AMIs with Java and dependencies using Packer. Compare DynamoDB with RDS, Postgres/MySQL for back-end systems. DynamoDB, NoSQL, schemaless, millisecond latency, auto-scalable, best for high-write workloads, IoT, gaming, caching. RDS, relational, supports complex queries, transactions, joins. Use case, DynamoDB product catalog, user sessions, RDS transactions, financial data. How do you use Elasticsearch in a Java application? Store logs or application data in Elasticsearch. Use Java high-level REST client for querying. Implement full-text search, autocomplete, log analysis. Monitor performance with Kibana dashboards. Use Sharding plus replication for scalability and fault tolerance. What is AWS CDK and how is it different from CloudFormation? AWS CDK, Cloud Development Kit Infrastructure as code in programming languages, Java, Python, TS. CloudFormation, JSON/YAML templates. Difference. CDK is developer-friendly, supports abstractions and reusability, compiles down to CloudFormation. System design and distributed systems. How would you design a scalable order management system OMS on AWS? Frontend API Gateway Lambda/EC2, Spring Boot microservices, Orders DB, DynamoDB for fast lookups, S3 for archival, messaging, SQS/Kafka for async order events, search, Elasticsearch for order queries, observability, CloudWatch, X-Ray, ELK stack, resilience, multi-AZ deployment, retries, DLQs. How do you handle failures in distributed systems? Use retry with exponential backoff. Implement circuit breaker pattern, resilience 4J. Store failed messages in DLQ, dead letter queue. Apply idempotency keys to avoid duplicate processing. Graceful degradation with fallback responses. Behavioral/problem solving. Tell me about a time you worked independently on a project. Example, migrated monolith microservices using Spring Boot plus AWS. Defined CI/CD pipelines. Managed infrastructure using CDK. Delivered project end-to-end without constant supervision. How do you debug a performance issue in production? Check CloudWatch metrics, CPU, memory, latency. Use X-ray traces for request bottlenecks. Enable GC logs and heap dump analysis. Optimize DB queries. Add caching if needed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends preparing for interviews.